The Smart Site Safety System is a groundbreaking program that seeks to transform safety in construction. By leveraging advanced technologies, this initiative aims to minimize accidents, ensure compliance, and digitize processes that are commonly associated with high risks. This initiative incorporates cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, GPS, and mobile applications. Together, these tools enhance safety protocols and facilitate quick decision-making on construction sites. With over 70 pre-approved products available, the Smart Site Safety System ensures that construction firms have access to essential tools. These tools include digital permit systems, surveillance solutions, and mobile applications tailored to assess safety risks. To support the adoption of these innovative technologies, a structured funding approach is implemented. Construction companies can receive significant financial backing, making it easier to integrate safety solutions into their operations. For those interested in learning more about the Smart Site Safety System and its impact on construction safety, further details are available through the Building Surveying Excellence Academy. Together, we can create safer working conditions on construction sites.